Boa Lock nut utilizes ingenious simple spring insert to achieve maximum performance and high reliability in stopping nut loosening from the bolt. Furthermore, the usage method is same as regular nut. Once assembled, Boa Lock nut never loosens under any vibration or impact applied. The key is in this spring's functional role. When the Boa Lock nut is being assembled, the nut is designed to push this part of the spring. It opens the spring, and it tightens smoothly and naturally without any resistance. Once assembled, the reverse directional loosening force causes the spring to constrict the bolt's thread so that the nut never loosens. The more strong loosening force is applied, more the anti-loosening constricting force is applied. When disassembly of the nut is required, it can be achieved by simple design of pushing on the opposite end of the spring to loosen like a regular nut. Boa Lock bolt has a structure by processing the end of a regular bolt and inserting a spring. By reversely applying the spring roll of Boa Lock nut to the bolt, the same performance is guaranteed. The beginning of the fastening is easy enough to be fastened by hand. In the fastened state, it cannot be loosened by any vibration or impact, but when trying to loosen it, you must apply strong force using a tool. If you loosen it more than one turn with a tool, there will be a moment when the internal spring undergoes deformation. After this, it will be easy enough to disassemble by hand. Boa Lock bolt can be reused by replacing only the spring after one use. Thank you.